AI-powered content creation. In the digital age, the demand for high-quality content has surged, driving the quest for innovative solutions. One of the most groundbreaking developments is AI-powered content creation. This technology harnesses the potential of artificial intelligence to generate written material that meets the unique needs of various audiences. The journey begins with understanding how AI tools analyze vast amounts of data. By examining existing content, these systems identify trends in language, tone, and structure that resonate with readers. This ensures that the output is relevant and engaging. As a result, businesses can leverage AI to produce articles, blogs, marketing materials, and more, all tailored to their brand voice. Creativity remains a cornerstone of effective writing, and AI complements it rather than replacing it. Equipped with algorithms that suggest topics, styles, and formats based on audience preferences, AI empowers writers to explore new dimensions of creativity. This partnership allows human authors to focus on ideation and storytelling, while AI handles the more administrative tasks of writing, freeing up valuable time. Collaboration between humans and machines enhances efficiency. With AI's ability to quickly draft and edit content, productivity skyrockets. Writers can produce more in less time without sacrificing quality. This means deadlines can be met without compromising creativity, creating a win-win situation for businesses and content creators alike. Moreover, AI-powered content creation tools can be especially beneficial for optimizing content for search engines. By incorporating SEO best practices directly into the writing process, these tools help ensure that the content not only captivates readers, but also ranks well on search engines. This strategic advantage can significantly boost online visibility and drive traffic to websites. However, while AI technology brings numerous benefits, it's essential to recognize the importance of human oversight. The emotional connection and understanding of nuance provided by human writers cannot be replicated by machines. Therefore, the most successful content strategies combine the strengths of both AI and human creativity, resulting in pieces that are not only informative, but also resonate deeply with audiences. In conclusion, AI-powered content creation is revolutionizing the way we produce written material. By leveraging technology to optimize workflow and enhance creativity, we can elevate the quality and efficiency of our content. As we continue to embrace these advancements, the future promises exciting possibilities for writers and businesses striving to make an impact through the written word.